Siamese connection. Siamese connection, a hose fitting with clapper valves for containing the flow from two or more lines of hose into a single stream. The inlet fitting of a fire standpipe located above the ground level. Shop. Shop, a vertical opening through a building for elevators, dumb waiters, lights, ventilation, or similar purposes. Shall. Shall. The word shall denotes mandatory acceptation. Siphonage. Siphonage, a suction created by the flow of liquids in pipes, a pressure less than atmospheric. Single family dwelling. Single family dwelling, a building designed as a home by the owner of such building, and shall be the only dwelling located on the parcel of ground with the usual accessory building. Size and type of tubing. Size and type of tubing. See diameter. Shielded coupling. Shielded coupling, an approved elastomeric sealing gasket with an approved outer shield and tightening mechanism. Sloop. Sloop, see grade. Soil stack pipe. Soil stack pipe, a vertical soil pipe conveying fecal matter and a wastewater. Soil pipe. Soil pipe, any pipe which conveys the discharge of water closet, urinal or fixtures having similar function with or without the discharges from other fixtures to the building drain or building sewer. Slip joint. Slip joint, an adjustable tubing connection consisting of compression nut, a friction ring, and compression washer, designed to fit a threaded adapter fitting or standard taper pipe threaded. Soldered joint. Soldered joint, a pipe joint obtained by joining metal parts with metallic mixtures or alloys which melt at temperature below 427 degrees centigrade and above 149 degrees centigrade. Special ways. Special ways, a ways which requires some special methods of handling such as the use of indirect waste piping and receptors, corrosion-resistant piping, sand, oil, or grease interceptors, condensers, or other pre-treatment facilities. Spigot. Spigot, the end of a pipe which fits into a bell, also a word used synonymously with faucet. Standpipe. Standpipe, a vertical pipe or reservoir into which water is pumped to give it a head, classified as 1. Weight standpipe, 2. Automatic standpipe system, 3. Manually operated standpipe system, 4. Dry standpipe. Stack. Stack, the vertical main of the system of soil, waste or bent piping extending through one or more stories and extended through the roof. Automatic standpipe system. Automatic standpipe system operates automatically by opening a hose valve. Manually operated standpipe system. Manually operated standpipe system remote control device at its hose stations. Wet standpipe. Wet standpipe, a water pressure is maintained at all times. Storm water. Storm water, that portion of the rainfall or other precipitation which runs over the earth's surface after a storm. Story. Story. That portion of the building included between the upper surface of any floor and the upper surface of the floor next above. Dry standpipe. Dry standpipe having no permanent water inside the pipe. Stack bend. Stack bend, the extension of a soil or the waste stack above the highest horizontal drain connected to the stack. The uppermost end above the roof is called stack bend to the roof or SBTR. Subsoil drain. Subsoil drain, an underground drain pipe that receives only subsurface or seepage water and convey it to the sump for disposal by gravity flow or by the lift pump. Support. Support hangers, anchors, brackets, cradles are devices for holding and securing pipes and fixtures to the walls, ceiling, floor or structural members. Surface water. Surface water, that portion of the rainfall or other precipitation which runs up over the surface of the ground. Sump. Sump, an approved tank or pit which receives sewage or wastewater and it's located below the normal grade of the gravity system and must be empty by mechanical means. Tailpiece. Tailpiece, the pipe or tubing that connect the outlet of the plumbing fixtures to the trap. Tap T. Tap T, a T with the branch tap to receive a threaded pipe or fittings. Swimming pool. Swimming pool, a water basin used for the swimming designed to accommodate many bathers at a time and properly connected to a disposal system, fills and draws water supply or provided with approved water purification and recirculation system. Trap arm. Trap arm, that portion of the fixture's drain between a trap and the vent. Trap seal. Trap seal, the maximum vertical depth of the liquid that a trap will retain, measured between the crown weir and the top of the dip of the trap. Trap. Trap, a fitting or device designed and constructed to provide when properly vented. A liquid seal which prevents the backflow of foul air or methane gas without materially affecting the flow of sewage or wastewater through it. Tube. Tube, a cylindrical conduit or conductors conforming to the particular dimension known as tube sizes and denoted by its outside diameter or OD. Unit bend. Unit bend, an arrangement of venting so installed that one bent pipe will serve two traps. Unconfined space. Unconfined space, a room space having a volume equal to at least 1.4 cubic meter of the aggregate input rating of the fuel burning appliance installed in that space. Rooms adjacent and open to the space where the appliance is installed through openings not furnished with doors are considered a part of the unconfined space. Vacuum breaker. Vacuum breaker, see backflow preventer. Bent pipe. Bent pipe, a pipe or opening used for ensuring the circulation of air in the plumbing system and for relieving the negative pressure exerted on trap cells. Vacuum. Vacuum, an air pressure less than atmospheric, also implies siphonage in piping system. Bend system. Bend system, a pipe installed to provide flow of air to or from a drainage system or to provide a circulation of air within a such system to protect trap seal from siphonage and back pressure. Bend stock. Bend stock, the vertical bend pipe installed primarily for providing circulation of air to or from any part of the soil, waste of the drainage system. Waste. Waste. See liquid waste and industrial waste. Vertical pipe. Vertical pipe, any pipe or fitting installed in vertical position or which forms an angle of not more than 45 degrees with the vertical line. Waste pipe. Waste pipe, a pipe which conveys only a wastewater or liquid waste free of fecal matter.